Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You need the phone in place and the watch on your wrist. Open the camera remote app on the watch right away. Tap to wake the watch, then launch remote so the watch connects to the iPhone camera feed. Make sure the phone lens is aimed and the exposure looks right on the tiny preview. Once done, adjust framing by physically moving the iPhone. The live thumbnail shows changes. You'll save time by composing first because the next phase moves into focus and controls. Now you control focus and timing from the watch. Tap the shutter on the watch to trigger the camera or press and hold for a burst. That gives you rapid shots without touching the phone. Rotate the digital crown to zoom smoothly. This adjusts the iPhone lens if supported. For hands-free portraits, set the 3-second or 10-second timer on the watch, then step into place. Make sure to watch the tiny preview to confirm framing, because small changes on the watch reflect in the final image. Finish by checking your images on the iPhone. The photos save there automatically, and you can preview them on the watch with a swipe. If lighting looks off, enable Live Photo or HDR on the phone before retaking, because those settings affect final quality. If the watch won't trigger the shutter, make sure Bluetooth is enabled, then toggle it or restart the watch and iPhone. This usually restores the remote connection. Finally, retake with the timer if movement or delay caused blur.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.